Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome to BJ Maths Academy. This is Babaya Jamalpur. Today topic is basics of mathematics. మీరు కొత్తగా నా వీడియోస్ చూసినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ బెల్ ఐకాన్. Now enter into the topic. Today topic is basics of mathematics. So already yesterday we have discussed about that addition. Now in that basics of mathematics, row additions is very important. So those who are learn row additions, it is very useful to in maths. Row additions and subtractions. Row additions and subtractions. So before going to that row additions and subtractions, we have to learn one note. What is that? Two terms are positives, positive number, then we can add it. Two terms are positives, we can adding. Answer is positive answer. When we are adding two positive terms, we are getting positive answer. And when we are adding two negative terms, if suppose both are negatives, we can add it. So adding, what is getting answer? Negative answer, because we are adding negative terms, so we should get negative answer. Now next, if one is positive, one is negative, or one is negative, one is positive, so we can subtracting. What be that? We can subtract. But how is it answer? Answer means depending on biggest. So here biggest number is positive, answer becomes positive. Answer becomes positive. If suppose biggest number is negative, answer becomes negative. So it is that these four rules are very important in the row additions and subtractions. What are that? If two terms are positives, we can add it and we are getting the positive answer. And if suppose two terms are negatives, we can adding, the answer becomes negative. And next if one is positive, one is negative, or either one is negative, one is positive, so we can subtract it. But answer always it, the biggest number is positive number, so the answer becomes positive. The biggest number is negative number, the answer becomes negative. Now we are going to examples. First one, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 9 plus 6, 6 plus 12, like it is that. So these both are positives. These both are positives. So we are adding. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. 6 plus 12 is equals to 18. It is easy only. So almost most of the persons it is doing correct. And now next go to that. If suppose both are negatives, how we can find that? Minus 3 minus 5. There is some confusion. There is some confusion of students. So in middle minus is there. So what we are doing? It is the confusion of the students. So here both are negatives. So we are not subtracting. We can adding. There is no symbol in middle plus. So don't think like. So if both are negatives, so we are adding. So here we can assume to that 3 boys, 5 boys. Total 3 plus 5, 8 boys. What are that? 8 boys. Here indicates 3 is nothing but plus 3. 3 is nothing but plus 3. So before the number there is no sign, we can assume to that plus. So here 8 is nothing but plus 8. Yes, plus 8, but plus is not mentioned before the number. So is there any 2 or 3 more numbers? So at that time between we can mention it. Now here minus 3 minus 5, both are negatives. So both are negatives means in that note what we are written? So both are minus, we are adding. But when we are adding, we are negative answer. So here minus is indicates the girls. For example, we can assume just, okay, don't think any another way. So this minus indicates girls. So here 3 girls, 5 girls, total 8 girls. But girls is indicates minus, for example. So it is for just example only. Now next, minus 6 minus 7. So 6 girls, 7 girls, 13 girls, like minus 13. So both are minus, we are adding. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. But when we are adding negative terms, we are getting negative answer. That is only. Now next, minus 5 minus 10. That is equal to total. So both are negative. So we can add it. So when we are adding 10 plus 5, 15. But we are adding both are negatives. That's why answer becomes negative. So minus 4 minus 5. How much total? Minus 9. So it is that. So two terms are positives. We are getting the all are positive answers. It is positive, it is positive, it is positive. But before the positive number means no need to mention plus. Directly you have to write 8, 15, 15, 18 like. So but if the number is negative, must and should we have to mention that sign before the number. The number takes the sign which is before but not after. So here this is 3. For example, 3 minus 5. So this means it is the plus 3. It is the minus 5. So minus is not considered to 3. 3 is considered to before sign but not after sign. So before that number, what is the sign? That is considered a number. So it is like. So now, so both are positives completed, both are negatives completed. Now next go to that. One is positive, one is negative. One is positive, one is negative. So how is it? 3 minus 5, 8 minus 2, 6 minus 9, 7 minus 10. Like it is the problem. So whatever is there. So we are following this rule. One is plus, one is minus. One is plus, one is minus. What we are doing? Subtracting. So we can subtract. So in the biggest one you can subtract smallest one. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. But the answer is positive or negative. How we can remember? How we can recognize? So here, see once here biggest number is what? 5. The 5 before sign what is that? Minus. Therefore 5 is that? Minus 5. So before now, okay, the here biggest number is negative. So the answer becomes negative. That means ఏదైతే బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ పాజిటివ్ అయితే పాజిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ నెగిటివ్ అయితే నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. బట్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ఎలా చేస్తాం? బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్లోకి వెళ్ళి స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. When so one is positive, one is negative. That is before or after. Whatever is there, we are subtracting. When one is positive, one is negative. ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ అయినప్పుడు మనము సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు చేయాలి? ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ అయినప్పుడు ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ అయినప్పుడు. సో మధ్యలో ఏముంది అని ఓకే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్. దాన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇన్ మిడిల్ plus is there, minus is there, no need about of that. Just the numbers are positives or the numbers are negatives. So that is we can assume. Now see here, one is positive, one is negative. So in the biggest, one is positive, one is negative, so we are subtracting. ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ అయితే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలంటే 8 - 2 బిగ్గెస్ట్ లోకి స్మాలెస్ట్ ని తీసేయాలి. సో we have to subtract the smallest from the biggest. 8 - 2 is equals to 6. Here the biggest number is what? 8. So 8 is positive or negative? So before there is no sign, that means plus. దాని ముందున్న సైన్ తీసుకోవాలి. సైన్ లేదు అంటే that is we can consider as plus. So that is we can remember that there is no sign before a number, so we can consider as positive. Is there sign means we can consider that is only. Now go to that. So here biggest is positive, so answer is also positive, but it is mentioned or not mentioned, no problem, no need to mention plus. But is there minus means we have to mention. Now go to that. 6 - 9. So one is plus, one is minus, so we can subtract it. What is that? One is plus, so one is minus, so we can subtract it. So when you are subtracting 9 - 6, how much? 3. But here what is the biggest number? 9. But 9 is a positive or negative? Negative. So biggest number is negative, so answer becomes negative. That is depending on biggest number when we are subtracting. So the answer is depending on biggest. Biggest positive అయితే answer positive అవుతుంది. biggest negative అయితే answer negative అవుతుంది. So here next biggest negative కాబట్టి answer is negative. Here biggest positive కాబట్టి answer is positive. Now 7 - 10. So one is positive, one is negative. There is no sign అంటే plus. It is plus like. So 7 - 10. How much? 3. One is positive, one is negative. So we are subtracting. So subtract ఎలా చేస్తాం? బిగ్గెస్ట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి స్మాలెస్ట్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. So 10 - 7 is equals to 3. So we have to subtract 7 from 10. We are getting 3. So but here biggest is what? 10. 10 has minus. That's why answer is -3. It is very very important. Don't confuse here. So biggest ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ అయినప్పుడు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం, ఆర్ ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ అయినా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. బట్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే బిగ్గెస్ట్ పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ అయితే పాజిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెగిటివ్ అయితే నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెగిటివ్ కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. ఈ రెండింటిలో బిగ్గెస్ట్ 10 నెగిటివ్ కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ నెగిటివ్, బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ నెగిటివ్. ఇయర్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ పాజిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ పాజిటివ్, ఇయర్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెగిటివ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ నెగిటివ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ దట్ మెయిన్. Now go to that. One is minus, one is plus. -5 + 2, -8 + 9, -10 + 6, -7 + 12. It is that. So here is also. Don't think in middle plus. So somebody is thinking like you are. Some students are doing mistakes here only. So middle plus means 5 + 2 7. So minus before is there, that's why -7. Like that they are doing. Otherwise, so 5 + 2 7, leave it just they are written 7. So it is the wrong way. It is that wrong way. So but what is the correct way? What is the correct way? So one is negative, one is positive, one is negative, one is positive. So we can subtract it. One is negative, one is positive, we can subtract. So subtract చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 5 - 2 3. How much? 5 - 2 is equals to 3. But here biggest is negative number, so answer becomes negative. 5 is the biggest, biggest has minus, so answer has minus. And next -8 + 9. So here one is negative, one is positive. Don't think in middle plus. Middle లో ప్లస్ ఉంది కదా, యాడ్ చేయాలి. Don't think like. So we are observing the numbers both are positives or the both numbers are negatives. Otherwise one is one is positive, one is negative. We can check it. So positives రెండు positives అయితే యాడ్ చేస్తాం, రెండు negatives అయితే యాడ్ చేస్తాం, ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ అయితే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. That is you can remember. Now -8 + 9. One is negative, one is positive. We can subtract it. Subtract చేస్తే 9 లోకి 8 పోతే ఎంత? 1. So when we are subtracting 8 from 9, we should get 1. So here the biggest is 9. 9 has positive, so answer is positive. No need to mention positive, but minus is there, we have to mention. Compulsory we can mention minus. Now next, minus 10 plus 6. One is negative, one is positive, so we can subtract it. So when we are subtracting from 10, we are subtracting 6. From that we are getting answer is 4. But here biggest is negative, answer becomes negative. Answer becomes negative. Next to minus 7 plus 12. But here one is negative, one is positive. So what we have to do? Subtraction. So 12 minus 7, 5. So from that biggest we can subtract the smallest number. After the biggest number as positive, answer becomes positive. The biggest number as negative, answer becomes negative. So it is that very important. So this is that row additions and subtractions, and in that second method. So this is that small problems. It is that useful to small childrens. But from 6th class to 10th class, next second method is very important. That is useful to 6th to 10th class students. Even in that 10th class students also in third chapter, in polynomials, we are using these row additions and subtractions in the 4 marks questions. Now once we can see that, how is it? So at a time giving some positives and some negatives, how we can add it? Which is the correct way? When we are not confusing, which way we are choosing, we are not getting confusion. Now we have to see that. 9 plus 6 minus 5 minus 4 plus 7 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2, like it is the problem. So find the solution. So what is the value of this? Just using plus and minus only, but more than plus, minus, into, division and off and bracket, these are there, then we can use that BODMAS. But here no need to BODMAS, just directly we can solve it. See clear? But almost the students are following one way, I think, that is 9 plus 6, 15, 15 minus 5, 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, like that doing. But in that some students getting confusion when we are adding, when we are subtracting, like it is a confusion. At that time, for example, I have taken minus 9. So how we can do the solution before a number has minus? So 9 plus 6, 15, or how much? It is a confusion. So at that time we can follow one simple way, we are getting the correct answer. Once you can observe. So in that type of problems, we can follow only one way. The positive numbers which are, we can write first. Positive numbers we can write first. Next, the negative numbers we can write last. That is very important. What are the positives in that? Plus 6. Next, plus 7. Next, plus 2. So positives written first. Even one is there, you can write first, no problem. Now next, go to that negatives. Minus 9, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So in that, so all numbers has completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers. I have written 7 numbers. But places has changed. Signs cannot be changed. Signs means symbols change. So I am not changing the symbols. You can see here plus 6, plus 7, plus 2. Minus 9, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Now here we can add that positive separate. These positive numbers we can add in separate. So now next to negative numbers adding separate. These positive numbers adding 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. That is, there is no sign means that is plus 15. No need to mention plus. But is there minus? Must and should we can mention. Next go to the negatives. These negative numbers. So just before we saw that both are negatives. What we did? Adding. But answer becomes negative. So here is also same. We can, these all are negatives. So we can add it. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. But it is plus or minus. So when we are adding negative terms, we should get negative. 15 minus 21. 15 minus 21. So now 15 minus 21. So once you can observe here, same. One is positive, one is negative. What we are doing? Subtracting. ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ అయితే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఫ్రమ్ దట్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ యూ కెన్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్. 21 minus 15 6. But the biggest number has minus. The biggest number has minus. That's why answer becomes minus 6. It is the correct way. And now one more problem for that. Minus 4 plus 5 minus 9 minus 3 minus 2 plus 6 and plus 8. It is a problem. So what are the positives? We can write first. First one is plus 5. Next plus 6. Next plus 8. Next after that minus 4 minus 9 minus 3 minus 2. So now what are the positives? You can add it. These are the positives. Remaining are negatives. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 8 19. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 8 19. Minus 4 minus 9 minus 13 minus 13 minus 3 minus 16 minus 16 minus 2. So 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 3 16. 16 plus 2 18. But when we are adding negative terms, we should get negative answer, minus 18. So now next 19 minus 18 is equals to 1. It is a process. So these are the row additions and subtractions. It is very important in that mathematics. And next one is, so that is very important in that solving the problems from 6th to 10th class. That is fractions of additions and fractions of subtractions. So after going to that, we can enter into that multiplications and divisions. So after that, we can go to algebraic additions and subtractions. So thank you for watching my video. If you want like my video, so please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you.